Hey Tesla fans, how are you all? I'm Malachi Greb, the CEO of Elite Automation and your host on the MG channel. Today, I've got riveting insights from a high-stakes showdown in Washington where Tesla and Waymo execs went toe-to-toe with lawmakers defending the safety of self-driving tech and proving it's safer than human drivers. Let's dive right in. In a pivotal Senate Commerce Committee hearing on February 4th, 2026, Tesla's Lars Moravy and Waymo's Mauricio Peña stepped up to champion their autonomous vehicles as true lifesavers backed by hard data. Tesla spotlighted their FSD Supervised system, clocking an impressive 5.1 million miles per major collision, far surpassing the U.S. national average of about 670,000 miles per crash for human-driven cars, with real-time data from over 1 billion miles driven. Meanwhile, Waymo boasted fewer crashes overall than humans, with their fleet achieving a 65% reduction in injury-causing accidents while delivering a whopping 400,000 weekly rides across cities like Phoenix, San Francisco, and Los Angeles without a single fatality in over 20 million autonomous miles. Both executives called for unified federal regulations to replace the messy patchwork of state rules, arguing it would supercharge innovation, cut down on bureaucratic hurdles, and keep America leading the AV race ahead of competitors like China, where companies like Baidu are already operating robotaxis at scale. Lawmakers didn't hold back, grilling them on recent mishaps, like Waymo's close calls with school buses and urban testing, and Tesla's past incidents involving unexpected braking or phantom obstacles. But the execs fired back, emphasizing continuous AI improvements through over-the-air updates, and that safety remains priority number one, with Tesla's neural networks training on vast data sets and Waymo incorporating lidar for enhanced perception in low visibility conditions. Critics slammed Tesla's rollout as risky, citing a recent NHTSA probe into 2.4 million vehicles. Yet the session signals real momentum for new AV laws that could accelerate widespread deployment, potentially through the bipartisan AV START Act revival. As Peña put it, safety is our top priority. And with this kind of data, the road to full autonomy is paving faster than ever. From Senate defenses to safer streets, the autonomous revolution is gaining ground. What do you think? Will federal rules unlock the full potential of self-driving cars or slow things down? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. That's all for this episode. If you enjoyed it, make sure to subscribe for more MG news on cutting-edge automation and tech breakthroughs.